Technology is growing and rapidly becoming a big part of our lives. The non-tech savvy people among us are struggling as people on the job are being replaced by machines and walk-in services are switching to online only. If you are one of those people who struggle with technology, consider subscribing to this channel. I upload tech tutorials teaching you how to do stuff on your phone, on your laptop, as well as online. People often say, technology just isn't my thing, but this doesn't mean that it can't become something you understand and love to use. There are a lot of hidden features on phones and laptops that are convenient and time-saving that people have no idea about. This is why I created this channel, to teach people how to use these features and save money when buying technology. So if you want to learn how to use phones and laptops to your convenience, consider subscribing.